Hey guys, welcome back. So you all know that I've had my hair flat ironed for almost a month. It's gonna be a month tomorrow, so pretty much a month, and it's really time for me to wash my hair because it's kind of dirty. But I ordered Olaplex and it got lost in transit, so that's a whole different story. When I get that, I will do like a straight to curly video and I will share that with you guys. In the meantime, I'm like, this is a perfect time to do a length check because even though my hair is colored, I am still on a hair growth journey, and this would be a great starting point since my hair is flat iron, a reference point for my hair growth update for next year, by God's grace. So I have this shirt that I got from Amazon. I will put it in my description box so that if you guys want it, you could get it. I'm also an Amazon affiliate, so if you guys do purchase something with that link, I do get a proceed, okay? But don't you want to support your girl, okay? Support me, okay? But anyways, I will put the information in the description below if you're interested. Alrighty, let's get started. Oh, before we get started, the second part of this video will be how I maintain my, straight hair for this long, okay? Okay, but let's get started on the length check. This is the front of my hair. So excuse me if my light is, kind of fluctuates. I have a new setup. I'm trying out a new setup, so I'm still trying to figure it out. Anyways, so this is side of my hair. Then I'm gonna come to this side. And then we're going to do the back. Okay guys, so that is it for the length check. Now let me show you how what I do on a nightly basis to maintain my flat iron. Okay, so what I do at night after wearing my hair out is I first use a wide tooth comb. Well, sometimes I don't. If my hair is not too tangled, I don't use a wide tooth comb. I use my fingers. But if my hair is kind of looking rough, I'll use a wide tooth comb and just comb through the hair. Okay, once I comb through the hair, I just gently pull out any shed hair like that. Okay, and then I do the same thing to this side. And then pull out any shed hair, okay? And then if my hair is looking kind of frizzy, or pretty much if my hair is looking frizzy, dry, and just not cool, then I will use a little bit of oil. Like when I say a little bit of oil, because you don't want to get your hair too greasy, and it's just not going to be cute. So I use coconut oil, but every now and then I use the argan oil. I love it because it's in a spray bottle, well, like a spritz bottle. So I just put one pump on my hand and then rub it like so. After I rub it, I concentrate on the ends. Okay, once I get the ends, then I put whatever is left all over the hair. And that's about what I do. Not every night, I do as my hair needs it, because you don't want your hair to be too greasy, okay? And then once I'm done with that, okay, so I do my hair, I maintain my hair at night 2 ways. If I want to stretch my hair kind of like how it is and just give it a little bump, at night, or the next day if I just wanted to have a little bump, then all I do is, I'll show you what I do. I do the lazy way, okay, the quick and dirty way of, you know, preserving. So I just take my hair like this and then put it here, put this part here, and then I use like a bobby pin, a hairpin, and then I just pin it up. Okay, let's see. Use another one, pin it up like this, and then I use my satin scarf to, you know, make it stay. And then that is it for what I do, you know, at night, or it depends on what style I'm going for. And then the next day I just take it down. Obviously for the sake of this video, you know, it's not gonna be the next day. I'm just gonna take it down now. And yeah, that's it. And the next day it will be looking nice and sleek and, well, not straight, but almost straight and then bumped. Okay, now the other thing I do, obviously, okay, before I go to the other thing I do, you can also wrap your hair. You know, that's a classic way people preserve their blowout or flat iron or whatever. I'm not good at that. Well, I won't say I'm not good at that. I just don't have the time for that. This is just easy for me and it works for me. So this is what I do. Now, when my hair was curled, well, after I got my hair flat ironed, she curled my hair. So in order to maintain that curl, what I used to do is I would divide my hair in half like so, and then I'll just do 2 big Bantu knots. Okay, this is just for demo purpose, okay? And then I would just Bantu knot it. And you want to Bantu knot in the direction of the curl, not against the curl, okay? So like, yeah, just pretty much Bantu knot it. And then once I do that, I would use a hairpin and pin it in place. Okay, I'll do the same thing to this section. Hairpin. And pin it up. Something like that. Like I said, this is just for demo purpose, okay? And then I will use the same satin scarf and put it on. So another way to maintain your curls after you flat iron your hair and you curl it or you get it curled is you could do pin curls. You could do 4 pin curls or these Bantu knots. I do 2 because, you know, like I said, I'm just trying to do the fast way. Now, if you want it to be, you know, better, you could do 4, 2 on each side. So either the 4 pin curls or 4 Bantu knots. If I'm just doing like a day-to-day maintenance, I just do this. Now, if I have somewhere to go to, then, you know, I do some extra work to, you know, get it to curl up. So in this way, I usually don't use any moisturizing products because I don't want my hair to revert. But if you want, you know, your hair to curl up a little more, or you want tighter curls, then you could go ahead and add whatever little products that you want to add to give it a little bit of tighter curls. And I think that is all, guys. Okay, so the next day I just take it off as so. So I know I'm not showing you guys the results the next day, but I promise it works and it looks good. Now for the Bantu knots, you're not going to get like really tight curls, you know, especially if your initial curls were more like loose curls or wave. It's going to follow that pattern especially if you don't add any products to try to curl it up or whatever. I think y'all understand what I'm saying. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.